Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Over the last few days, it started getting really cold here in North London. You can feel that winter's coming. And earlier today, I was chatting to one of my neighbours who told me he's had a bit of a nightmare over the last few days. The kind of problem that you really don't need when you're in the run-up to Christmas. He told me that his boiler, the machine that heats the hot water in his house, had basically been on its last legs for several weeks now. He got someone in to have a look at it, and in the end they basically told him it had died a death and that he was going to have to get a new one. As he put it, I really didn't need to fork out 1,500 quid a month before Christmas just so I could stay warm. If you have to fork out money, you basically have to spend money that you really don't want to spend. So maybe, for example, you really hate DIY. You're just not very good at that kind of thing. And you move into a new apartment and the whole place needs painting, but you can't face doing it yourself because you know you'd mess it up, you'd make a real dog's dinner of it. So in the end you decide to fork out and get a painter and decorator in to do it. Maybe there's an academic book that you'd like to get hold of and have a read of, but the only copy you can find online costs £105. And even though you really want to read the book, there's no way you're prepared to fork out that kind of money. And as some of you may remember me mentioning, my daughter lost her house keys recently and had her name tag from school in the same bag that she had her keys in. The upshot of this was I had to fork out over £500, 500 quid, to get the locks on our front door changed. Very annoying. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. It helps other people find out about us. Please do share the video on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of things you've had to fork out money on.